Hello, fifth grade inventors and engineers. Now that you've learned how to design an invention and to solve a problem, it's time for you to think bigger. What if you could design a whole city? We are looking for ways that we can live more efficiently without damaging the earth with our pollution or using up all of our natural resources. If you were going to build a city, where would your location be? Would it be near water? If not, how would your city get water to drink? Would you convert salt water into fresh water? Would you have to bring water in? How would you grow your food? Bathe. Think about it. Or would your city even be underwater? Is it in the desert? Or would you just redesign a current city in the world that maybe could be transformed into a future city? How would your city improve our current problems of pollution and limited and disappearing natural resources? How will cost be kept fair so all people can benefit from it? How will your city be designed to be efficient for the workers, the residents, to be aesthetically pleasing, and to leave less waste around it? These are things to consider when you're designing your future city. You are going to watch a video. Some things happening in the world today are things you incorporate into a future city right now. After the video, you'll be asked to answer some questions based on the vocab words I'm about to go over and some things that they brought up in that video. As we learn about how future cities are being designed all over the world, I want you to think, what would your perfect future city look like? What would it have? At the end of this week, you're going to tell us what you would do to design that perfect utopia. All right, guys, let's learn some actual vocab words here. Our first word is utopia. Utopia is an imagined or proposed place or society that is ideal, especially in its laws and treatment of humans. Utopia. Efficient. Efficient means it's operating or working in a way that gets results with little or wasted effort. What kinds of efficient forms of energy and design will your future city have? Our next phrase is aesthetically pleasing. It means it has to do with the beauty or art to give enjoyment or satisfaction. Will your city make your people feel at home and like it's a beautiful place to live? Natural resources. Remember, our natural resources are found in nature and they can be used by people in many ways. For example, natural resources can be water, soil, coal, our forests. They're all examples. Renewable resources. These are an energy source that's naturally replenished within a human lifetime. They could be solar power or wind power, hydroelectric power being given to us by the flow of water. Things that never really go away for us. Non-renewable resource. That is an energy source that cannot be renewed in our lifetime. Examples would be oil, coal, and natural gases. Those are all fossil fuels, and it takes them thousands of years to be developed. Sustainability. That is a method of managing or using a resource so that it's not depleted or permanently damaged. Sustainability could be used by rotating crops or using forests, but replanting them as you use them. And our last vocabulary phrase, urban planner. An urban planner is a person who plans the best way to use the land in cities and neighborhoods. For example, they plan the layout of houses, stores, parks, schools, and roads. You're going to be your very own urban planner. All right, friends, let's get to work. You'll answer some questions based on those vocabulary words and the video you're about to watch. Have fun and then start imagining what would your utopia be. The sky's the limit. You are the next urban planner.